To fully understand Portugal the Man, I grew a mustache, grew my hair out, drank IPAs, and moved to Portland, Oregon. After experiencing this hipster lifestyle, I now feel I have enough knowledge to make a song and share how to sound like Portugal the Man.
Tone.
Portugal the Man goes for a calm indie rock vibe with some pop elements. The tone is shown through the grooving bass lines and light acoustic guitar. The pop elements are their catchy choruses and synth lines.
I've just always been a fan of pop melodies.
And their influences are
Motown meets Missy Elliott meets Blur meets Queens of the Stone Age even. Like, I wanted to have a little bit of everything.
The BPM is normally 80 for the groovy slower songs and about 120 for the pop hits. Every song is in a minor key for the bittersweet tone of the songs. Their top songs are in the key of E minor and B flat minor, so I'm going to be using E minor. The lead singer's high-pitched tone lets his voice come through and ride over the other instruments. Additionally, this gives the band a unique feel and stands out from the crowd. Instruments. The composition of the group is an electric bassist, 2 guitarists mixing electric and acoustic guitars, synth and keys, and a drummer. There is a lead singer, but all of them sing during the choruses. On some pieces, they include horns and other brass instruments, but it's not frequent.
Layers.
They layer each song with clear and clean instruments. The bass line is grooving and the drum is generally not too complicated.
To analyze the whole thing, it's the bass. It's the bass line to it. It's played on like a 1960s Hofner bass.
Both guitarists play the chords as the vocalist sings the melody. The keys sometimes add frills and effects. Otherwise, it can be an organ layering chords in the background. In some songs, they layer even the lead vocal, then add a lower voice for effect. Even in the popular song, Feel It Still, the bass and guitar are playing the same line to create that iconic sound.
Lyrics.
They say they're not political, but that they just support humanity, and the things they support should not be political.
We use our voice for good and what we believe in. Everything that we stand up for, shouldn't be political at all.
Women shouldn't be paid the same amount as men. Let's put it to a vote.
Yeah.
That's ridiculous to me that would be a political issue.
Yeah.
That's pure humanist.
Yeah, totally.
So, I don't think that we're trying to forward a single agenda. We would like it if people cared and kept their eyes open, because we're definitely paying attention to what's happening.
Care. Be a good person. It's not that hard.
This is reflected in their song lyrics. For example, in Feel It Still, they discuss the struggles of people in America.
The whole song you're talking about, these sort of snapshots of time in human history, like specifically American history, and sort of the struggles that we've gone through.
Even in the music video, they place 30 Easter eggs to support causes they like. For example, one cause they liked was speaking out against misinformation, where in the music video, they had a reference to InfoWars by having someone read a paper burning the InfoWars text.
Playing instruments and
With the acoustic guitar, they use chords and general strum patterns, fingerpicking, and sometimes added frills. With the electric guitar, it is melodies and leads. There is a large amount of reverb in most of their songs, but particularly in Feel It Still. The keys player usually bounces between organ, synth, and piano sounds. All three are used in conjunction in many songs. Now let's combine all the learnings and make our own song. I hope you like the song, and if you do, please give it a like.